Hello, I'm Lisa from the Wee House of Crochet and welcome to Knitcraft the Water Garden. We're on week 7 and we're going to be working on the border. I've just made a bit of a sample here just so that I can show you how the border is worked onto the pattern. Due to the way that the hexagons have been joined, we've now got quite a few corners. In fact, I'm going to have more than you. What we're going to do is call these sections here are called inner corners, and it's where we've joined 2 hexagons together and the 2 hexagons meet via the second treble of the 3 treble that make one of the corner or center points. Then we also have outer corners here, and the outer corners are where the corners are pointing out and are made up of 3 trebles, and the second treble becomes your corner or your center point. It's not actually really difficult, it's just not as easy to explain, to be honest. So I'm just going to use the green, which you will be using too if you are using our colourway. So the first round of the pattern says to chain 1, which counts as a double crochet, and 1 double crochet in each treble until you reach an outer corner. Work 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet into that outer corner stitch, which would be that center stitch from the previous round. So it's actually quite easy because you're just doing treble. So I'm just going to crochet the whole way around this. So I'm just going to start, it says to start in any treble, but I'm just going to start here. And I will start with a slip stitch and I will chain 1, which counts as a double crochet. And then it says to do 1 double crochet in each treble until you reach your outer corner. So you'll probably do a lot more double crochets than I will until you reach your outer corner, purely because your blanket is about 10 times the size of my little swatch here. So I'm just working double crochets in here. Now, what I'm going to do now is, sorry, I've got yarn here. You can just see, and I'm sorry about my nails as well, I've not had a chance to have them done this week. In this second treble here, so I'm on my outer corner now. Okay, so you can see we've started to do that. I'm now on the outer corner. There's the center treble. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to work 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet into that center point. So it's just 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet in the same space, like that. Then it says to work 1 double crochet until you reach the next inner corner. So I'm just going to work this all around. Now I'm actually going to reach another corner, outer corner, before you. It is quite easy. We're just really, I think, what we're doing really is we're just working double crochets all the way around. In an outer corner, you're working 1 double crochet, chain 1. Right, so I'm at another outer corner center point now. So that's 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, like that. And that is all I'm doing. So each time you hit an outer corner, you're just working that 1 double crochet, chain 1. And you're just going to do that all the way around. Should have started probably a little bit closer to my inner, but I'm sure you won't mind. I'll make a little bit of an extra effort, seeing as it's the last video of the water garden. Right, so I'm back at my center. So 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, and then I'm just going to double crochet again all the way around, just 1 in each stitch, and actually we're just about to hit an inner corner. So here we go. That's the first treble of that bit. Okay, so I've now got something that's starting to look like that. Now what the pattern says now, double crochet until you reach the inner corner, which I've just done. One double crochet in each treble until you reach the inner corner. Now what we're going to do, I'm at my inner corner now, so we're going to work a double crochet 2 together. So remember that because you're doing 2 together, there's kind of 2 legs to it. So I'm going to take that stitch out actually. I'm going to work my first leg of my double crochet in this hexagon, and then my second leg of my double crochet 2 together into the first double crochet on the other hexagon, and we just yarn over and all the way through. So I've just worked 1 double crochet, 2 together in between. So I've done that, okay, and then you're just going to repeat that all the way around. So whenever you are at an outer point, all you're doing is working 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet in that outer stitch, and when you get to the inner stitches, you're just working a double crochet 2 together, and that is it. So I'm just going to do this all the way around, and I will see you at round 2.